compatible to the Super Kalan, which is shown is like this, 2.7 kilogram, and the original is this.
Ito na siya guys, sobrang ganda, napakaganda ng quality niya po.
Katan sa kaniyan. Ayan po, dumating na po siya.